how can we build a pipeline, how can we automate the process, and how can we get greater access to a greater number of deals, and as well as being able to facilitate and interact with those customers in a more automated fashion. I was so excited and proud to be able to share with our global organization our growth numbers over the last 3 quarters since using ToutApp. And it literally went from 0 to $3 to $10 million in pipeline. And so in terms of measuring productivity gains, I mean, it's just huge. Before we had ToutApp, everything we did was extremely manual. Manual transfer of data, manual transfer of knowledge, of playbooks. With ToutApp, what we've been able to do is create, for example, templates so that as new business folks come onto the team, whether they're in our enterprise team or our commercial team, focusing on the telco vertical or the distributor or the VAR vertical, is being able to come in really quickly and leverage, pre-populated templates and engage with prospects in a really timely manner, which in the past they would have had to take 3, 6, 9 months to ramp up. We're finding they're now able to do that more in a matter of days and weeks. I think we've seen in the Valley over the last few years, companies think that they don't need salespeople. The amount of articles I've read where people talk about this startup or that startup doesn't even have a sales team, candidly in my mind is total BS. Everyone has a sales team. It may in fact be the CEO. It may in fact be the VP of engineering, but there is somebody engaging in a value conversation and talking about why their product or why their service is going to provide value to an end user. And that's what a salesperson is. ToutApp's really helped blend the balance of creating efficiency and automation and running really fast, but at the same time not losing that personal element, because that's really critical as well. We've driven revenue growth from triple, double. The ability to be able to expand, the ability to be able to leverage applications like ToutApp to reach thousands and millions of potential customers at one time versus old school cold calling and being able to reach 10 customers a day, I think is what is enabling that hyper growth.